Okay, this demonstration has to deal with the situation where you have multiple duplicates, or you have a duplicate contact in Luxor where that contact in both instances have jobs associated with them, historical jobs. You can see here I have two Janice Smiths, both belong to Frameworth Insurance. I'm pretty sure that this is the same contact and I need to delete one of them because one of them is a duplicate. Before I can do that, I have to make sure that I understand which jobs are associated to these two Janice Smiths. In order to do that, I have to open each one. So I'm going to open the first Janice Smith here, and I'm going to click on Jobs, and I can see this Janice Smith is associated to a job as an adjuster agent and a referred by contact. And the job name is 9-22-2012-MB. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to open the second Janice Smith, which is a duplicate. And I see here that this Janice Smith is related to a different job as an adjuster contact or an adjuster agent contact. So what I need to do is I need to delete this Janice Smith, but before I can do that, I have to remove the association of this Janice Smith from this job. So what I'm going to do, in order to do that, the smart thing to do is just to give this Janice Smith a slightly different name. So I'm going to call this Janice Old Smith. I'm going to save the contact. And you can see here now that the contact name is different. I'll close it, and you'll see here I now have Janice Old Smith and Janice Smith. So this Janice Old Smith is associated to this job. So I'm going to open this job. And you'll see here, if I click on Contacts on the job, Janice Old Smith from Frameworth Insurance is the adjuster agent. I'm going to remove Janice Old Smith from being related to this job by clicking the delete here. So check the checkbox, click the delete. I'm sure I want to continue. And now I want to add the actual Janice Smith. So I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to click on the add, and I don't want Janice Old Smith because I'm about to delete her. So I'm going to select Janice Smith, the one that I actually want to keep. The contact role was adjuster agent. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to save the job record here. And you can see now I have the correct Janice Smith associated to this job. So now that that's done, I'm going to close this job, and I'm going to just verify that Janice Old Smith is not associated to any jobs anymore. So I'm going to click on this contact again. I'm going to open up Jobs, and you can see here this Janice Smith is not associated to a job anymore, which means we're good to go in deleting this duplicate contact. So I'll close the contact, and standard Luxor procedure, select Janice Old Smith with the checkbox here, click on delete, confirm, and I'm done. So Janice Smith now only appears once and is associated to both jobs, one as an adjuster agent and one as an adjuster agent and referred by. And that is how you deal with duplicates in the contact module within Luxor when they are associated to historical jobs.